How to log in Canadore College student portal. Welcome to our tutorial on accessing the Canadore College student portal. Canadore College provides a comprehensive online platform for its students, offering various access to resources and services as well. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to log into your Canadore College student portal account and access all the tools available to you. For this, open your default web browser in your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type login Canadore College student portal and hit enter. Tap on the official link provided by Canadore College to access the welcome page. On the welcome page, you may find options related to system checks or updates. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find username and password section. If you have forgotten your password, look for forgot your password link provided in the web page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields and click on the login button to proceed. If you have encountered any issue during the login process, you may find additional help using the login help option and password reset and set options or new employee or student login checklist. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Canadore College student portal account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.